So we're going to review expanded form now real quick. And hopefully by the end, everybody will understand expanded form 100% of the way. So we're going to take this number, and remember the way that we would read this is 25. And let me see if I can find the pen now. I'm going to get off the stickers. And let's see. I'll try to clear the screen. That's not exactly what I was hoping for. Maybe go back. There we go. All right. So what we have here is 25 and, so when we get to the decimal point, we say and then you would read it like you would a whole number, 253. But since the last digit is in the thousandths place, we say 253 thousandths. So this is 25 and 253 thousandths. So to write this in expanded form, we're going to take each place value. The 2 is in the tens place. So we would say 2 times 10. And you can put that in parentheses. It's kind of hard to do it on this screen, but I know you can do a lot better on yours. Then we're going to add, and the 5 is in the ones place, so we're going to say 5 times 1. And now we get to our decimal numbers. So the 2 is in the tenths place. So I'm going to go ahead and change the color now. And so I would say 2 times 1/10. And you can put a 0 in front of that if you want to. And then I've got 5 times 100. So 5 times 100. And so I've got a 0 in the tenths place and then the 1 in the hundredths place. So that's showing that the 5 is in the hundredths place. And then I've got, and to have a little bit more room, I'm going to write it underneath, 3 times 1,000. Since the 3 is in the thousandths place. So that's all you have to do when you're writing in an expanded form. You just take each place value, multiply it by its value. And, if we were doing it the other way, if we already had a number written out in expanded form, we could write it in standard form. So, if I were going to do that with this one, let's see. I'm going to take out this one right here. And so let's say this is our new number now. So if I'm going to write this number, I've got a 2 in the tens place, a 5 in the ones place. But now, since I took out my tenths digit, I'm going to put a 0 in the tenths place. That's showing that I don't have any tenths. And that's real important that you do that because this is 5 times 100. So the 5 goes in the hundredths place and then a 3 in the thousandths place. So we're going to keep practicing with expanded form, but just think about that as you are working on your problems. And let me know if you have any questions. And let's see. I know you're going to do great on this one, so I'm already going to give you a smiley face.